Today we will look at force. Specifically, we will answer the questions, what is force? And what types of forces act on object? Let's start by answering the first question. What is a force? A force is a push or a pull acting on an object. So what effect can forces have on an object or its motion? Well, forces can move something from rest. They can change the direction of an object. Forces can also stop something or slow it down. Some forces can even change the shape of an object. Now let's look at some common types of forces and what they mean. The first force is weight. What is weight? Answer: weight is a downward force due to gravity. The amount of weight depends on the object's mass and the strength of the gravitational field it is in. The second force is support. What is support? Answer: support is a force that usually points upward. It is provided by the surface that an object is sitting on. The third force is drag. What is drag, or air resistance? Answer: drag is a resistive force that acts against motion through a fluid, like air or water. It slows objects down. The fourth force is thrust. What is thrust? Answer: thrust is a propulsive force caused by pushing a fluid like air or water back with a propeller or jet. The fifth force is friction. What is friction? Answer: friction is a resistive force that acts against motion when two objects touch. It can slow things down. The sixth force is buoyancy. What is buoyancy? Answer: buoyancy is an upward force on a floating object. It is caused by the fluid the object is displacing. The seventh force is lift. What is lift? Answer: lift is an upward force caused when air or water moves around a specially shaped object, like a wing. The next force is tension. What is tension? Answer: tension is a pulling or stretching force through a string, rope, rod, chain, or cable. And finally, the last force is traction. What is traction? Answer: traction is a propulsive force caused by pushing against a surface, like with a tire tread or a shoe. Using this information, fill in your worksheet and label for forces acting on the objects.